Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to make super simple, easy, delicious mashed potatoes. Try saying that 5 times fast. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, this one's kind of ugly. Alright y'all, to start off with, all you need to do is peel your taters. Now I'm thinking 2 to 3 taters, small taters per person, or 1 large tater per person. And after you get done peeling them, go ahead and chunk them up, add it to your colander, and then we're going to take it over to the sink and wash them off. Once you've washed them off, go ahead and add them to your stock pot, cover with water. Add about a tablespoon of salt or chicken bouillon or no sodium chicken stock, whatever you want to use. Really, it's up to you. Now, once they've been boiling and they're fork tender, go ahead and take them and drain them out in your colander. Add them back to your stock pot on a low heat back on the stove. And add in a big old mess of butter. And then you're just going to add some white pepper and some salt to taste and really mash those taters in. And we're going to try to work that butter into those potatoes. That's what we're doing here. And after you've done that and they've gotten pretty worked in, go ahead and add you a little bit of heavy cream at a time. You don't want to overdo it and then wind up with soupy potatoes because, you know, you're not making soup, you're making mashed potatoes. And after you get done, all you have to do is plate them up like that. Serve it with a little bit more butter. Make sure you taste them before you serve them so that they're the taste or the salt and pepper that you want. I served mine with my country fried steak and gravy, and if you want to know how to make it, you can find that video over on my channel. I hope y'all enjoy this. Bye now.